Thing is, like, you really got to be grateful for something before you even have it. So what is going on, YouTube? My name is Joseph Villagracia, and if you're new to this channel, welcome to Team Live Rich. In today's video, I'm gonna go over my point of view on gratitude and how I use gratitude to manifest anything I want and all the goals I want in my life. So first and foremost, if you're new to this channel again, just welcome to the family. And before I get started, let me tell you guys what I used to do and how frustrated I would be when I won't accomplish my goals, because I actually use gratitude to accomplish my goals. So one thing that would frustrate me a lot when it came to goal setting, like I want to move out my house, I want to earn $1,000 passively, I want to do this, I want to do that. And what I found is by writing my goals down and doing things like that, it caused a lot of frustration and it caused a lot of negative emotions. And next thing you know, I'd write all my goals down, but I would never accomplish it. And it's because, this is on some spiritual stuff now, it's because whatever you put out to the universe, that's what you receive. So when I would write my goals down, instead of me really being emotional, seeing it's tangible, I was being frustrated on why it was not happening. And by me focusing on why my goals was not happening, that was becoming my reality. And then I actually had a good friend, Mr. THC, I'll link his YouTube down below, who explained to me how he used gratitude to manifest anything he wants in his life. So one thing that really spoke to me was, instead of writing his goals down, because this is how I use gratitude, he is thankful and he is grateful for all the things he wants to accomplish before he even has it. So one thing that he did is, he said this long time ago, so that's how I know it works and that's how I know it's true, is he told me, he was like, Joseph, I have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, I believe it, I see it, and I'm so grateful for the universe for giving that to me, right? And next thing you know, if you look at his channel right now, he only started about 3 months ago, and he has around 12,000 subscribers right now in a couple of months, so in 4 months. But the thing is, previous to that 4 months of happening, he was grateful for all those subscribers before they came in. He acted as if he already had them. So he was putting out to the universe that that was his reality, and next thing you know, it became his reality. So that's what I do to myself now, is whatever I want in my life. So for example, my future goals is I want a BMW i8, I want to move out. But instead of saying, I want a BMW i8, I want to move out, I'm saying I'm grateful that I'm moving out. I'm in Venice, California right now, making sure that all my goals is more tangible. And I'm really grateful for this moment. And I'm really grateful that I'm actually house shopping, because it makes it more of my reality. Like your thoughts, your actions follow your thoughts. So if your thoughts is always gratitude for something like an i8, your actions are going to follow that. So that's how I use gratitude. I use it to my advantage. And the thing is, like, you really got to be grateful for something before you even have it. So Jake, the camera guy holding it, man, one thing that I was saying before this, and I just thought about it now, is I was grateful I was working with a great partner. Next thing you know, Jake came into my life, and he's an amazing partner, camera guy right now. I never had that guy before. And it just goes to show, the stuff you're grateful for before you have it, it just naturally comes into your life. So that is my intake on gratitude. That's how I use gratitude to manifest anything I want in my life. I know it's kind of just like a spiritual video, but trust me, it works. Jake started to doing it now. Shout out to him. But instead of saying, you know, why don't you have something? How come you don't have something? Just be always grateful that you have it before you have it, because you know you're gonna end up getting it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Me and Jake are gonna enjoy this Venice beach. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, by the way, shameless plug, cop some merch. Cop some merch.